The Big Bear's Sticky Bakery. Barnaby Bear wants to bake the world's biggest honey cake. But wait, he's covered in flour and his paws are stuck to the bowl. Can he finish his treat? Let's find out. Hello, my little chefs. Welcome back to the J Channel for Kids. Today, we are in a very special kitchen in the middle of the pine forest. Meet Barnaby Bear. Barnaby usually spends his time fishing or napping, but today, he has a big dream. He wants to be a baker. He's wearing a giant white hat and a tiny blue apron. But baking is harder than it looks when you have giant paws. Are you ready to help Barnaby bake his masterpiece? Barnaby Bear had a tummy so wide, with a love for all things that were yummy inside. I'll bake a great cake, he declared with a roar as he stumbled and tumbled through the bakery door. He grabbed a big bowl and a giant wood spoon while humming a happy and honey-sweet tune. He poured in the flour a mountain of white till the kitchen was covered and buried from sight. Next came the honey, so golden and slow, but Barnaby's paws didn't know where to go. He got stuck to the counter. He got stuck to the tray. I'm a sticky glue bear, he cried out in dismay. He tried to add berries, he tried to add milk, but the batter was lumpy, not smooth as a silk. His hat fell in the frosting, his nose was all pink. I'm a terrible baker, he started to think. Then came the squirrels and the wise old deer. Don't worry, friend Barnaby. Help is right here. We'll stir while you pour, we'll clean while you bake. Together we'll make a magnificent cake. They whisked and they folded. They cleaned up the floor until Barnaby didn't feel stuck anymore. The oven went ding, and the smell was so sweet. The forest all gathered for a wonderful treat. It wasn't quite perfect. It was slightly askew. But it tasted like kindness and friendship so true. Barnaby Bear smiled a sugary grin. With friends in the kitchen, everyone wins. Barnaby's cake looked delicious. He learned that even if you make a big, sticky mess, your friends are always there to help you clean it up. Let's pretend we are baking with Barnaby. Get your big bowl ready. Now stir, stir, stir. Now, let's pour in some imaginary honey. Glug, glug, glug. Oh no! Your hands are sticky. Shake them off. Shake, shake, shake. Great job, little bakers! Words of the day from the learning section before we end our story. Let's read 5 words of the day together. Repeat after me and let's giggle while we learn. Bear, say bear. Your turn. Cake, say cake. Your turn. Honey, say honey. Your turn. Bull, say bull. Your turn. Spoon, say spoon. Your turn. Delicious reading! You are a master chef today! Barnaby Bear showed us that the best ingredient in any recipe is a little bit of help from our friends. Let your kindness be a daily sunrise rising quietly, shining gently, and warming every heart it touches. Let's spread a dash of kindness every day. Happy New Year! Please like and subscribe to the J Channel for Kids. Thank you!